My wife's been after me for years to make a grill or get a grill that we can take with us camping. We have a little gas grill and we have these other things. The thing I don't like about them is that they take up too much space in your motorhome or your RV, whatever it is you're traveling in. And so I've always had an aversion to doing that. But some campgrounds don't allow you to have open fires if you don't have a fire ring or fire pit of some sort. And other campgrounds don't provide a place to cook charcoal on a charcoal grill or whatever. Some places don't allow open fires, but they do allow fires with your own fire ring, and fire rings are hard to transport. So I was looking for one. I found some online, some models that were nice, but they were expensive, like $400 or more, $500. And one of the things that I really wanted to make sure I had was something that would lie flat and take up no space in the bus. And so this is what I came up with. Not the easiest thing to get together sometimes, but it gets a little easier with practice. Alright, so now it's together. And the ones that we saw had these pans to keep you can put it on top of the table or whatever in your campground, and put water in the pan, and then set your grill in the pan, and then it won't burn the table or wherever you're working. I scarfed this off of an old round grate that I had, so that we're cooking with charcoal. I can put this in the bottom and it'll raise the level of the charcoal. If you're cooking with wood, you'd leave it out, and you'll see that there's a vent here for the ashes to drop out and the air to flow through. And then we have one of these that's just 24 inches, and that's the whole kit. You have this little handle that slides in, has tabs on it to keep it from sliding off when you put it in, and then two people can carry it with a fire in it or do whatever you want to do with it, with or without the fire. So it's really a convenient little thing, and I'll show you in a second what it stores up to. So packed away, that's all the space that it takes. The plate is 1/4 inch flat bar. Actually, I ordered it from a local steel shop, and I just had them cut it for me since it's easier for them to do it than it is for me. They don't charge that much more for it. I paid $130 for the steel. I always carried this grate with me for campfires to use around campgrounds, because a lot of them have little round rings, tire rings or whatever. And so I had that with me anyway. And then of course the bar doesn't take up any space, and the plates stacked together 4/4 inches is an inch. So if you can't find an inch of space in your camper to store this, you ought to get rid of some stuff. But this is really pretty good, because it fits neatly into a luggage compartment that I have it standing up in there, and it won't take up any space that wasn't there for something else. So easy project, not much to it. If you don't want to weld the tabs on, you can cut hooks into the thing. There are different ways to do it. You can search them online, but this was my little project for my entertainment while we're in lockdown.